For demonstration, here we have 14 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches multiple of 3, 4 times 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2 edge stitches, 14. Here I make this pattern after cast on. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Yarn in back and knit edge from right side. First row is complete now, second row wrong side. Slip edge and purl one with 2 times yarn over, 1, 2, 1. Again we repeat this pattern till the end of row. Purl these all stitches with 2 times yarn over, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, pull this, 1, 2, pull this stitch, pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, unwrap 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now make 3 stitches from 3 stitches. Take 3 stitches together and yarn in front. First we pull 3 together, 1, yarn in back. Now knit 3 together, 2, yarn in front, pull 3 together, drop this 3. Here we have 3 stitches from 3 stitches. First we pull and second stitch with knit stitch and pull. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Slip 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 from 3 stitches, take 3 stitches together. First we pull, yarn in back, knit 3 together, 2, pull 3 together, drop this 3. Again slip 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 from 3 stitches. First we pull 3 together, 1, yarn in back, knit 3 together, 2, yarn in front, pull 3 together, drop this 3. One more time, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, take 3 stitches together, make 3 from 3 stitches. First we pull 3 together, 1, knit 3 together, 2, yarn in front, pull 3 together. Now yarn in back. Here we complete 4 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now, fourth row wrong side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side, knit these all stitches, slip edge and knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row wrong side, pull these all stitches. purl edge from wrong side, 7 row right side, again knit these all stitches, knit edge from right side, 7 row is complete now, 8 row wrong side, again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side, 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row right side, purl these all stitches. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.